Although they are sour, lemons literally are warehouses of vital minerals that are beneficial in beauty treatments. Everything from its pulp to peel is packed with nutritional contents. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and are absolutely free of fats and cholesterol. When it comes to effectiveness, the best of man-made products just cannot beat the efficacy of lemon. Here are our 8 lemon hacks that will help you to utilize the power of lemons for your beauty. Lemon removes blackheads, acne and acne scars. Peeping blackheads really spoil the beauty of a lovely face. People with blackheads unknowingly develop a nasty habit of teasing and with their noise, and it is certainly embarrassing when they do that in public. This hack will help them with break their habit of playing with their noses. Hereafter, try rubbing a quarter of lemon on the affected part of a few minutes every day until the results start showing up. The naturally acidic ingredients of lemon are stypicatic in nature and will drive a big blackheads. Acne and acne scars. This is a gentle natural remedy and much better than using cosmetics packed with synthetic chemicals. Try this today. Sugars and lemon scrub. This hack will come handy when you forgot to carry your scrub while you are traveling or when you are run out of your scrub stock at home and you are too tired to step out. Here's what you can do. Squeeze out a full lemon in a small cup and add a little sugar to the lemon juice. The mixture should appear like a scoop and should be thick enough for applications. Rinse your face once with your water and then gently scrub your own sugars and lemon formulas on the face. Wash off after a few minutes and get that instantly refreshed feel. You can apply this scrub on your lips as well. Lemon to tone down marks near armpits and elbows. As a result of excess melanin, many people have a discolored and hyperpigmented skin around the high fragrance areas of their bodies, especially near the armpits and elbows. Try out these hacks with some cautions and start with gently rubbing a slice of lemon on elbows. Remember, area near the armpits are tender and the acidic nature on lemon may give a burning sensation to some people. However, once suited, the bleaching property of lemon will gradually lighten the affected areas near such body spot. Naturally lighten hair with lemon. Try lemon as a natural tone lightener instead of harsh chemical formula products. An hour before you hit the shower, squeeze out an adequate quantity of lemon juice and apply it over traces. Unlike chemical products, lemon juice will lighten your hair gradually but safely, and naturally. Use these hacks twice every week, but be sure you conduct a sensitivity test on your scalp before you proceed. Lemon as hair mask, moisturizers and hair growth stimulator. Turn a blind eye to those Chelsea TV commercials that give a guarantee of medical results. Mama Natural has made products like lemon, coconut and grapefruit, whose ingredients when combined will produce a naturally made product with no side effects. Apply this potion when you are relaxed or just before going to bed, and do this regularly for a few days. Results will start showing up. Lemon foot soak. You will never get to know as to how the celebrities and actors keep their feet healthy and perfect, but we have a simple hack that will reveal their secret. Prepare a portion of your favorite essentials oil like rosemary, lemon juice and warm water enough to attain the level of your ankles in a shallow bowl. Then add to it about half a cup of Epsom salt. Now dip your feet in your own homemade foot soak and relax. Wax him out with lemon body wax. Worried about synthetic products in your body wax? Now make your own freshly prepared body wax at home. When you decide to go hair waxing, you will need to squeeze out one full lemon and add the juice to half a cup of sugar. Place the mixture in a microwave and let it rotate until it turns brushing, and keep stirring every now and then until you find it good enough to stick and spread evenly on your skin. Let the mixture cool down and use it as a cold body wax. Lemon to remove tan. Your feet and hands keeping getting exposed to the sun, and the result is ugly a looking combination of skin tones that you hate. You can exfoliate these patches by applying a mixture of lemon, baking soda and water on the affected areas with a toothbrush. Lemon juice works as a natural bleaching agent, while the baking soda with the help of toothbrush bristles with exfoliate dead peels of skins and reveal the real skin color.